Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing how to draw Buneary from Pokemon. Now this character has a lot of overlapping parts, so we're going to start at the top right side of our page with a ball of fur. So let's start at the very top with a half circle, curving up and then down. Now we're going to go back over towards the left side, curve around, and pull that in. We're going to make our way back around towards the right side. Down and up. Let's see if we can fit 5 of these half circles all the way around. Now we're going to draw an angled oval in behind the fur. So let's start at the very top here. We're going to curve around, down towards the bottom, and then back up on the right side. Go around the fur. I'm just going to pull that up on the right side. Alright, so now that we have that in place, we're going to draw a large circle tucked in behind this oval for the head. So we'll start up here. Start by drawing the left side of the circle. Come down towards the bottom. Now I'm going to pull that back up on the right. Now along the bottom half of this circle, we're going to draw 2 ovals for the eyes. So let's start on the left side. Draw the first oval. Now I'm going to line the top up on the right and do the same thing. At the top of each oval, I'm going to draw a small circle for a highlight. And then we're going to fill the bottom area of the eye in black. And then in between the eyes, right in the middle, we're going to add the nose. So let's start with a straight line going across. Now we're going to connect the ends with a half circle, coming down and then back up. Now at the bottom of the nose, we're going to draw a straight line coming down towards the bottom of the head. Now we're going to add a spot just up above the left eye. So it's an oval in a slight angle. So we're going to start on the outside, curve around and in, and then back out. Now we're going to add another ball of fur over on the left side, about the same size as we have on the right. So start up here, we're going to start with the top half circle, go to the left side, curve out, and then in. Again, we're going to try to add 5 of these half circles all the way around. And we'll close off the inside. And then from here, we're going to tuck the ear in behind this fur in an angle. So start at the bottom, curve down, and then in. Now we're going to go to the top, curve in, and then down. Let's draw the inside of the ear. So from these 2 points, we're going to step in. Starting at the bottom, we're going to curve up towards the fur, and then back down on the inside. Now that we've drawn the head, let's work our way down the body. We're going to add a large ball of fur in the center of the body. So underneath the chin, we're going to step down in the middle, start with a point. From this point, we draw a half circle going up and then down. Go back to the center and go over towards the right side. Let's draw another half circle, curving around and then in. Let's draw another one along the bottom and up. And we'll close off the bottom with another half circle, coming down the middle and then back up on the right. Let's move back up and draw on the arms. On the left side of the head, we're going to curve out and then up. Let's line this up on the right side and do the same thing, curving out and then up. We're going to round out the hands and then come back in behind the fur. So we're going to curve this around, come down, now we're going to come straight across and slightly up on the inside. Now we see the top edge of the body in behind the fur. So from the inside of the arm, we're going to step up, curve up and in. And do the same thing on the right. Now let's separate out the paw. From the top of the hand, we're going to curve down and in. Step down, draw that same curve. Do the same thing over on the right. Curving down and in. And do that one more time. let's move all the way down to the bottom and draw on the feet. So the left foot's gonna be on top of the right. So we start on the left side. We're gonna curve down towards the bottom of the foot, round this out and come up in the middle. Now this foot's gonna overlap the right side. So about halfway down this curve out, and then up underneath the fur. Now we're gonna separate out the paw on the left side. So we draw two short lines going up, side by side. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Buneary from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.